Hi guys, it's Mario and today we're gonna unbox Lefty the Five Nights at Freddy's 6. Look, it says Freddy. Lefty. Hello, that's me. We'll get you out of here, buddy. Yeah, save me. Okie dokie, today we're gonna unbox. Right, Creeper? Don't mind me, I'm resting. I'm resting like a cow. You're not a cow. I'm pretending to. Okie dokie, whatever. This is stupid. Get me out of here. Okay, sorry. That's okay, sorry for calling you stupid. That's okay, it doesn't matter. Well, let's unbox it today. Today we're gonna unbox it. Let's go. So we're gonna unbox him. Don't forget to leave a like. This is a like. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down there, like onto the near the subscription level. But please press that. Don't forget. So let's unbox him. Oh, let's get this thing out here. Yeah. Oh, okay. Unboxing Lefty. We'll get you out of there. He's free. Yay. He's free. Yay, thank you. Oh, you're trapped a little bit, but still. Oh, look, he's holding a microphone. Nice job, Muddy. You must be like a singing champion, huh? Yeah, that's me. Can you stand? Oh, yeah, but let's put this away. Hi, Lefty. Oh, hello. What's your name? Oh, yeah, my name is Mario. What's your name? Yeah, you're Lefty. How do you know my name? Yeah, but I heard that earlier. Oh, because it says Lefty on the box. Oh, yeah, it says Lefty. Yeah. Thank you for letting me out for free. Well, you're not free, but you're not free like for dollars when you're buying something. Well, I meant free, like I'm free. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I thought you meant dollars from when people buy something. Like it's free, I'm gonna get this money. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You want to sing? Yeah. You want to say hi to the microphone? Yeah. And the winner is Mario. He must be good voice. Are you from like a video game from something? Yeah, how do you know? I just guessed it. Oh, yeah, good. You must be like Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Oh, yeah, I am. Let's see. What is this? Oh, look, it's Rockstar Freddy, Rockstar Foxy, the parrot. That's Foxy. He's holding parrot. Oh, look, Pig Patch. Orville the elephant. Helply. Oh, yeah, he's good. He's like sister location. Oh, yeah, look, that's me. He's Lefty. Mr. Hippo. That's good. And Happy Frog. Ah, man, well, let's forget about that, but hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below to make us happy and make more videos. How did you know? What? What do I know? How do you know that you're gonna make us well, when Hayden says make us happy. Hey, that's me. Wait, shut up. Shut up, cameraman. Oh, who's cameraman? Wait, is this the camera? Oh, yes, that's the camera. Shut up. Shh. Sorry, stop breaking the fourth wall. You shut up right now. Oh, my God, whatever. It's been like 45 seconds for this video. Like 10 minutes or probably like... So, how many seconds you got me out? Oh, just about like 1 minute. 1 minute? Oh, do you mean like 49 seconds? You meant 50 seconds, you meant. Well, I don't know. I don't know either. Don't forget, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below to make us happy. And don't forget, we're gonna make some videos soon, like about Minecraft or about my video games. Hey, how come I'm not making more video games? Because this is obsessed with Minecraft and Freddy's. He does not have that game. Oh yeah, I forgot. I mean videos. Okay. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, like, and goodbye. Peace.